Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Carissa and today we are doing a whole house cleanup. So let's do this. So where do you guys start cleaning when you start to clean up? I always start in the kitchen because that's normally the messiest spot, and it's a spot where you can normally see as soon as you open the door. So I start there and then I just work my way around. I normally do the dining room if it needs doing, and then the living room, which always needs doing because of our puppies, and then sort of like the bedrooms and stuff, because you can always shut a door if someone comes, whereas there's no hiding the kitchen, living or dining room. So leave it in the comments down below. Where do you guys start cleaning?
I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up, never worry. 'Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's so strong. It goes on and on, on and on. There's something going on inside of me.
So today I'm using the Method Anti-Back Spray. I have been using Eco for a bit, but I do have plenty of Method to use up, so I thought I would change it up a bit and use that. And I'm also using or trying methyl and water for the stainless steel and the glass, I guess. Trying to see if that works any better. Don't get me wrong, the vinegar and water works really well, but in my last video I did the living room deep clean. I will put a card up in the corner there for you if you haven't seen that. I used the vinegar and water on the sliding glass door, and I did notice that it did leave it really smeary. I'm not sure whether that's because of the solution or because the door was just really dirty, and it doesn't matter how much you clean it, it ends up like that every day because the dogs slobber on it and all that sort of stuff. So anyway, moving on, I'm cleaning out my sink as normal. I'm using the Fairy Power spray. It does do a really good job on stainless steel as well as its cleaning power. It leaves my sink really, really shiny, which I love because I love a shiny sink. As I've said before, the whole kitchen can be a mess, but if the sink's shiny, I'm happy. And now moving onto the dining room, it doesn't need much. The table probably didn't even really need wiping down that badly, but I always like to give it a quick wipe down every day, just so you know if you go to eat on it, it's clean and you don't have to worry about it. And if guests come, then you know the table's clean and they can sit there and have their cup of tea or coffee or whatever, and you know you're not constantly worrying about crumbs. So I've moved into the living room now. I always wipe down this little table between the chairs on the couch. We tend to put our drinks there and phones, and overnight if we're having a bit of a snacky, we'll put it there, just moving Max to where he needs to be. And then I'm moving on to the desk, which is a bit of a mess, I must say, and I need to work out how to store everything in that corner there. It's got highlighters and pens and a little money or piggy banks and stuff like that, and it's just a mess. So I do need to find how I'm going to store all this stuff better, and yeah, just clean it up a bit. But for today, I'm just going to clean it up and wipe it down. It's the only section in the house left that I haven't wiped down yet. When I did the living room deep clean, which you guys seen, I also did the rest of the house, but this I left. So I better give it a wipe down because it was quite dusty and yucky. So we'll do that and then we will move on.
I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see, 'cause I can feel the I've met my demons one too many times. They taught me lows are what makes you feel so high. No matter how far my mind would wander, I'd always dare it to go even farther. 'Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's oh so strong. It goes on and on, on and on. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see, 'cause I can feel the energy, the energy. I can feel it.
So I'm just giving you a quick glimpse of the Roomba i7 Plus. I showed it in my last video, but I love this thing. It saves me so much time and it's so efficient, and the more you use it, the better it is. And I love that it leaves lines in my carpet. It's sort of, you see lines in your carpet and you instantly feel like your house is clean. But yep, and now I'm in the master bedroom, just going to make the bed and tidy up a little bit. There's not a lot to do in here. Open the curtains and yeah, we'll move on.
Every
So I'm in the bathroom, and that is the methyl water. I think in like the northern hemisphere you use rubbing alcohol, and water. Methylated spirits is basically the same thing. So I'm using that. And wiping down the vanity. I wipe down the front of the vanity all the time because it gets toothpaste and yeah, who knows what else. And I'm going to empty the bin, and then I'm going to move on to the laundry. Oh, sorry, I mean the toilet, and then the laundry. And yes, cleaning the toilet. Same old, same old. I do not show me scrubbing out the toilet bowl, but I do come back to do that. I did actually forget about it. I got preoccupied when I took out the garbage and completely forgot about it, and come back to actually go to the toilet and realised that I hadn't actually used the brush to scrub it out. I'm also going to put the last 2 toilet rolls there on the holder, and then we will move into the laundry room. So in here, I'm just going to clean up a little bit, take out the garbage because that's really full there, and just wipe down the bit of the bench top, put away the paper towel that I brought the other night, and then I have to fold the towels that are sitting on top of the dryer because I did laundry yesterday and had a lot going on yesterday, got preoccupied and didn't do it, so I'm going to do that now. I find that if I am having a bad day or something happens during the day that's, not necessarily good, it wasn't overly bad, but, things just got a bit derailed, and yeah, I just didn't finish off the washing, so I need to fold the towels. There is actually more clothes in the dryer, and there are more clothes in the washing machine, but I will do that off camera because you don't need to see me doing all that now. So I'm just going to fold up these towels and put them away, and then that will be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this, guys. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.